Hey there YouTube, Kevin from Tech Logic here with Budget Bangin' Volume 2. I've got 4 Sundown SD-3 8s that I ordered off the Yardsale site. We're going to do a quick unboxing of one of them and then hook them up and see how they run on a just stock home stereo. Here we have the SD-3 8s. I've got 2 of them, dual 2 ohms, and 2 of them are dual 4 ohms. 2 of them said bad on the box. They came in the surprise me containers that you order from Sundown's yard sale site for $60 a piece. They're listed at $194 that when I Google searched them, so that seems like a pretty good deal. I'm going to open one up here. You guys can see what we're looking at. I already opened it when I received it just to check shipping, make sure that we didn't get anything physically damaged. They're double wrapped in a big cardboard box. Have your gasket here. It goes around the sub due to the metal around the cone. Sundown audio sticker. And like I said, I had already opened these to inspect them. These are a pretty good size subwoofer. This one's a dual 4 ohm, and like I said, they have the metal surround that holds down the foam here. It's an inverted foam design to shorten the excursion. It's a short depth mount. I think it's something like 4.5 or 4 3/4 inch. Very well vented subwoofer as far as it appears. I don't know which ones were bad. I pulled the stickers off, but all the cones seem to move nice and free. This one seems to have a touch mechanical noise if you don't get it straight in. But I'm going to go ahead and run the wires on this and get it hooked up to my home stereo, turn on some music, and see how it moves. Alright, as of right now, I have the sub wired from a dual 4 down to 2 ohms by connecting the positive and negative terminals together on either side, positive to positive, negative to negative, and then running each positive and negative out to the unit. It's a low-powered unit, so the sub doesn't move very much, but it does produce quite a bit of sound considering the low wattage. Alright, that brings us to the end of Volume 2 of Budget Bangin'. We've got 4 Sundown Audio SD-3 8s we're going to put in a truck. That's going to be wired to a 3500 Orion amp. The Orion amp was bought as a bid off of eBay for $60 with $15 shipping. These were bought each $60 a piece on a surprise me at the yard sale. So all in all, I think we have $300 in the whole setup before the box. I got a $22 zero gauge wiring kit off of eBay, and we're going to run that all into a custom built console for the truck. Whenever we get around to building that, I'll do a video for that as well.